In this video, we will show you how to use Virtual Cash App Card in store. If you guys want to get started with the Cash App, you can use the links down in the description. First, add your Virtual Cash App Card to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This will allow you to use it for contactless payments at stores that accept mobile payments. Ensure the store supports contactless payments. Look for the contactless symbol on the payment terminal, which indicates that you can use your mobile wallet. When ready to pay, open your mobile wallet and select your Cash App card. Then, hold your phone near the terminal and authenticate the payment using your phone's security feature, fingerprint, face recognition, or PIN. Be aware of any transaction limits on your Cash App card. Ensure that your Cash App balance is sufficient to cover the purchase, as transactions exceeding your balance may be declined. After completing the transaction, keep your receipt and check your Cash App for the transaction record to ensure everything went through correctly. This also helps in case of any disputes or returns. So that's how to use Virtual Cash App Card in store. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Cash App. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.